Yardie Belly's Kitchen. Today I am doing Pico de Gallo. Yes, I am making my own Pico de Gallo, and let me just show you my list of ingredients. Now, normally Pico de Gallo is simply tomato, a little bit of jalapeno, some onion, and cilantro. All right, may have cilantro somewhere. Joshua, looking at pictures, cilantro for me. All right, but as usual, I have to take it to another level, so I have to kick it up a little bit. I have mango. All right, yeah, and this is another 100% mango, like what we used to at Jamaica, but a mango. I have one baby cucumber. I have my tomato. I don't have no lemon. Normally, I use lemon to create a little acidity. I have grapefruit. You understand? And then now I have parsley, flat leaf parsley, and I have a little bit of blueberry. Yes, man, I want you. You have to turn your hand and make fashion. That's what my mama told me. Turn your hand and make fashion. So that me I do in the evening here, right? And now Pico de Gallo is one of the the boy can't find the parsley. The cilantro. See? Cilantro. Alright, so we're gonna use some cilantro. Alright, Josh, what you're gonna do for me now is you're gonna take out some cilantro out of this. I know you hate it, but we have to use it. But I hate this. Alright. You take out some cilantro out of it and clean it up, make it nice. So we can use it. Now let me just show you quickly, guys, how me store these perishables, right? And them things you call them perishable. You see, after a while, them get wilted and them dead quick. That's why a lot of we don't keep them in the fridge. But what you do is get a napkin, you understand? And just fold them in the napkin and put them in the plastic bag where them come in. Right? By doing that, you keep the moisture in without it. We need a little bit more. Put it down. You keep the moisture in. So I'm gonna cut these vegetables up as Joshua take care of the cilantro. I'm gonna start by washing and cutting up the vegetables there, and then we'll pretty much put them in the bowl. Now guys, Pico de Gallo is a condiment. It's like what do you call this? A condiment you call this, brother Watson? It's like a relish or a salsa, and you can eat it. You can use it as chips. You can use it with chips, tortilla chips. Or like if you do a snapper fillet or something like that, you can put it on top of the snapper fillet, or you can dress it on top of grilled chicken. You can put a little on top of the grilled chicken. But it's a vegetarian dish where people use it because it is good and it's meatless. Alright, so I have some cilantro here. We can start with the cilantro. You just pretty much want to take off the leaves, and these, as I said, I call these perishables because they can wilt very, very easily. As you can see, it wilts very, very easily. You buy them in less than a week and them gone. I also use the parsley to make my kidney flush, and you can check out the kidney flush video. And I want to the brother them and the man in my house talk about chocolate stuff where hear me run my video. And you pretty much want to just separate the leaves because we're going to chop them up. And you don't want to get a big piece of cilantro in your mouth if you don't like that lemony vibe that it gives. Oh, you stay with the cilantro over there, Josh? You coming on good? You have some? Okay, sir. Good. Thank you so much. Right, so we cut up with cilantro, and now we are going to start with the tomatoes. You just want to cut the tomatoes across like so, as much as possible. I'm using plummy tomatoes, guys, the small ones, yeah, and you just want to get them into bite-sized pieces, yeah. Now, if you like vegetables, this is a perfect little starter, or it can be a a condiment to have with some chips or pita bread or anything like that, you know. And tonight we just want to have it so that we can have some chips, yeah. And next time we do it, we're going to do it with some fish, some grilled fish, or some grilled chicken or something, you know, but more or less a fish because we are trying to go healthy. So you just want, wait, see, we're fish gone. No fish around here. Man, no fish. So pretty much you just want to cut him up like so. Yeah. Slice him up like so. So now I'm gonna work on the cucumbers. Yes, we have already done our tomatoes. You want to cut your cucumbers into bite-sized pieces, and this is how I do it. And you just want to cut them into little bits, you know, and then we're gonna start adding more and more ingredients to our bowl. So let's go with the cucumbers. Cucumber. Yeah, cucumber. Oh boy. And you want to add those to your bowl, make sure so everything line up, yeah, and you want to keep the pieces as uniformly as possible. Next thing we're going to work on now is the onions, and as you see here, I'm using a Vidalia onion. You can use whatever onion you so choose, alright, but I find that the Vidalia onions are sweeter. It's much more, you know, what you call it, comfortable on the palate than So now my onion is nice and fine, and you know, I just want to add those. And you can put as much or as little as you want. It all depends on your preference, how much onion you like personally. You know, for me, I like the Vidalia onion, so that's why I'm putting a lot. And again, I have cut them so fine that it suits me. I have a small amount of blueberries here, and I just want to use my blueberries. I want to use them up, alright? So I'm adding my blueberries. They have been washed and everything, and I'm adding them now. Next thing I'm gonna start with is the mango, alright? And you want to peel your mango. You peel it how you want it, how you normally peel it. I'm peeling it this way, and just to show you, you want to peel it close to the skin. You don't want an overly ripe mango, by the way, because you don't want it too extra sweet or too extra soggy. So you want a mango that is ripe but firm, alright? And that's the best type of mango to use. Again, if we were in Jamaica, for instance, would I use Julie or one of them mango there, but since we are foreign, I have to use what we get. So you just want to slice your mango them like so. Then you slice them again to make small cubes, alright?
and you just add your mango to the salsa or the pico de gallo. Yes, see there? Look there. Alright, so we're almost done with the mangoes, guys, and our pico de gallo is really starting to shape up. It's starting to become what we want it to be. I tell you, trust me. Look nice, man. Really look nice. You want to give this a toss, and then you want to start adding a little bit more of your ingredients. Now I'm adding my parsley, and I have two types of parsley, as I said before. I have the flat leaf parsley, and I also have the regular bunchy looking parsley. Now, as you can see, my parsley is nice and really fresh, and that's because what you want to do is just about 10 minutes or so before you actually put the parsley in to use it. You want to cut the stem a little bit and put it in a cup of water. By doing that, you sort of reconstitute your parsley. And that's the right word. You just allow it to freshen up back. You know, it absorb a little bit of water, and the leaf then just go back up and get firm and springy again. And that's what you want to do with your parsley. All right, and you do that with almost every type of green leafy vegetable. You can do it with cilantro. You can do it with celery. You can do it with callaloo. You can do it with almost any one of them type of vegetables that will come on stem or stalks. You just add it to water about 10 minutes before you use it, and you'll be surprised to know how it just firm up back, and then it gets springy, you know. So the water refreshing it. So I'm gonna just take these now and cut them up, and we're gonna pretty much add them to the pico. And you want to cut them up as fine as possible. Once again, you don't want to bite down on a big chunk of parsley or cilantro or anything like that. You don't want to bite down on a big chunk. Now I'm adding my grapefruit, and the grapefruit is gonna bring the acidity in place of the lemon or the lime. I'm using one of the ruby red grapefruit. Here you can use any grapefruit, or you can use any citrus that you so choose. You can use orange, you can use swivel orange or the sour one, you can use lime, you can use lemon, but I'm using grapefruit. And as you can see, I'm trying to get out as much of the pink, the flesh as possible, you know, without digging it out. Yes, so I'm gonna add some grapefruit to my Pico de Gallo. This is unusual, it's not the same way other people would make, you know, but at the same time you have to do what is unique to you. Yes, and make it happen. Now for a touch of sweet, I'm adding some honey, just a little drizzle of honey, nothing too over the top, and also as a little binder to uniform up the taste and mellow out everything, adding some honey. All right, so you can add some honey to yours. And I'm gonna also be adding something else to replace the jalapeno that I have. Well, me not jalapeno, so I have to go get creative and replace the jalapeno with something else. But look for my salsa, man. Look for my Pico de Gallo. Cheese and peas, it look good. No lie, I like it. I like it a lot. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. And I just thought of this idea. Why not add some of my pickled pepper ingredients to substitute for the jalapeno? Yes, I think that's smart enough. Alright, so see this is onion and some chayote squash that I had been pickling. May I add that to it. Now see the pepper from the pickle bottle. I'm gonna chop up that now and add that to it as well. Yes, see there? Chop up the pepper them fine, and you really want the peppers to be fine, guys, and add it to my Pico de Gallo. So now I have the spice, now I have the tanginess, I have the sweetness. Mix up time is a mix up time. Oh yes. So there you have it, folks, my mango blueberry Pico de Gallo, and it is served there with some yellow corn tortilla chips. Remember, guys, you have to get creative if you want to go straight with the health. You can't just, you know, we can't just do the same regular stuff. We have to get creative just so to appease our appetite and to, you know, bring interest to the dishes that we're making. I hope you guys love this one and you will, you know, try it in your neck of the woods. And remember, guys, you can't go wrong once you're doing it for you, once you're doing it for your family. Like, share, subscribe, give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And remember, folks, we crave your support. Comment and let me know if you like it, and look out for another creative dish. This is Taste Buds on Yardie Belly TV, and it's been my pleasure doing this one for you. Once again, big up on yourself.